Hi friends, today I am going to discuss about the leadership and leadership style, and with this leadership style how to connect with these six elements. This leadership style and elements are based on this amazing book, The New Managerial Grid. And in this book, author talks about the three things he said based on it. First is the purpose. Leaders should aware about the purpose. Second is the people, how you inspire the people and connect the people. And third thing is the power, because when you have the purpose, you have the people, and then you can by default you get the different kind of the power, and people support you. You have a very strong humanity power. So let's start the two major things. That is, first is element. We talk about the six element, and second is five kind of the leadership style. So we will interlink element versus leadership style. So first we move to the six element. Six element, first is the initiative. So first element is effort or initiative. Second is questioning or inquiry. Third is the conviction or advocacy. And fourth is conflict resolution. And fifth is decisions. And sixth is critic or feedback. These elements are very crucial for any leadership. When you take any decisions or any step, you have to pass through each elements. If you have the strong command in these six elements, by default you are the leader. Now, five grid style. First is 1-1, second is 1-9, third is 5-5, and fourth is 9-1, and fifth is 9-9. Now you are thinking about what is 1-1, what is 1-9. I'll tell you. If you consider first digit A and second is B, so mean of A is or indicating to first digit for the process or the work, and second digit indicating to your like the people. So where we will discuss about the process or like people work, or second is people. Now we are going to talk about first thing is efforts. Efforts means initiative. So here we will talk about in that the first initiative, what is the thought of the 1-1 type leader. 1-1 type leader, he put out yourself there. One leader put out enough to get by. It means he is putting himself to take out the work from anywhere. 9, think about the put support to the peoples rather than to take initiative. He always support to the people. He is always people oriented. And 5-5 leaders think about or seek for the steady pace. He doesn't want to take any extra effort. And 9-1 category, or if you think about that, someone is saying that I drive myself and others, it means he has a 9-1 category, because he always takes the decisions on himself. So that is the 9-1 category. And 9-9 exert the vigorous effort and others join it. This is the 9-9 category. Second is questioning or inquiry. Whenever you take any initiative, any decisions, then you have to face questions, or sometime you have to ask the questions if you someone giving some work, task or any project. So as a leader you must ask some relevant questions to take the clarity whatever objective or goal you are going to take or conceive from anyone. So you should have the complete clarity. So here we will talk about in the leadership style, who react in the situations, what kind of behavior they have. 1-1, do not seek any information but accept whatever is given. 1-9, seek information which is positive and avoid the asking questions that creates unpleasantness or uncomfortable in the environment anyone. And 5-5, do not probe in depth, generally accept whatever people tell. Means he doesn't have any major issue, he doesn't want to go in depth, and he just try to understand and just taking the awareness little bit and just go with the democratic way or with the people. 9-1, seek facts in order to command. It means you understand. ये always commands में है, facts को consider करता है. Whatever he is taking and he is giving the command and giving the command and seeking the input, but he is taking the decision. 9. Questions, seek and valuable information given by others for soundness. He always try to best to take out the best, and he always ask the questions. He always seek the feedback or valuable input from the people, and for the soundness, it's not, he generally doesn't have the, he or she doesn't have the bias or own decision or own input. He takes all the inputs from the people and what is the best for the environment, environment or the company or any organizations or family. He takes on the decision. And third thing is the conviction. Third element, conviction, or we can say that here whenever you get the opportunity to discuss or say anything, then how the leaders react or behavior of the avoid taking side by not revealing opinion, ideas and attitude. 19. Embrace ideas, opinion of others rather than to push. When others hold the ideas, opinion and attitude different from own, he meet them in half, means he go with the people and he also meet to the halfway, because it is not completely for there. He will go to the democratic way. 9.1. Stand up for my ideas, my opinion and my attitude. Even it sometimes results in sleeping on toys, but he always try to put in dominant way. He is only right. He is thinking that is right, that idea is great, that such kind of the things. It is the things for such kind of the leadership. In 9.9, he listen or she listen for or seek out ideas, opinion, attitude which is different from own, and he accept the sound ideas, sound opinions by changing his mindset towards that sound decision, sound opinion. That is the view angle of the 9.9 leadership. Fourth is conflict resolution. 1.1. When conflict arises, try to remain neutral. He or she never respond in that situation. 9. Avoid generating conflict. If it does appear, then I try to soothe feeling to keep people together. 5.5. When conflict arises, I try to find fair solution that accommodate others. 9.1. When conflict arises, I try to cut it off or win my position. And 9.9 में लीडर क्या करता है कि उसका रीजन ढूंढने की कोशिश करता है और उस रीजन को अंडरलाइन करते हुए he try to take out decisions also. So it is generally helpful to the people. Fifth is decision. इसमें 1.1 क्या करता है कि वो accept कर लेता है all the decisions while they have the indifference and he is not agree but he accept all the decisions. 1.9 वो decisions को हमेशा support करता है to maintain the relations among the people. So he always support all the decisions. और 5.5 क्या करता है search for the workable solution. बीच का रास्ता and either it is perfect or not, it doesn't care. It should be middle. 9.1 accept decisions. He said I make to be treated as a final. He wants to take the credit on the decision but he doesn't take the decision. Such kind of the scenario in that. In 9.9 leaders जो high value sound ideas होते हैं, he accept those, he inspire those people and take the decisions underlying all the good ideas or the opinions considering in his work. So it gives a very powerful decision or is a useful for the industries or in corporates. Leaders generally take the ideas, opinion, even today nowadays is very popular. They take the data and they evaluate those things and then they take the decision. So it is very useful and or generally such kind of decisions always effective and powerful. Last element is critique or feedback. It's a very important. Generally true leaders always give you feedback. There is very minor difference between the critique and criticize. Criticize means you are intentionally giving unnecessary feedback. It is not useful for him or her. But if you are doing the critic or giving the right feedback, it means whatever feedback you are giving, it will be helpful for the future, for her or his career, or in the next milestone or the next actions. So it is happen if right leader is there, because he has some experience. On the basis of his experience, he give this some insight to predict for the future. One rarely give any feedback. Generally, he try to avoid any. He generally, hey, whatever things are going, that's going on. 1-9 is saying that I give only positive. Negative feedback is not right for the relation. So this leadership, it has such kind of things. 5, it is like that sugarcoat my feedback, so other people should take it, and he also in favor of the people, whatever people like that, and they or mandatory people like mandate of the people. So he go with that, like the democratic. 9-1 always give the negative feedback. He said positive is going on, it's your duty, you have to do it like that, and this is your feedback. Negative feedback, you have to improve it. Either it is need for his profession or not, but he always give the negative. 9-9 promote करता है give and take of feedback. वो feedback देता भी है और feedback लेता भी है. What's your feedback about myself? And he also give the feedback about him or herself, because it's two-way communication. If you asking the feedback about you, then he also feeling it. This is a two-way communication. Otherwise, people take in different directions. So it's mandatory two-way communication. Communication always should not go one direction. So this is 9-9. Hi friends. So we have completed. We discussed 6 kind of element and 5 kind of leadership style in grid form. Like I'll summarize once again, and our 6 element is like that. First is effort or initiative. Second is questioning or inquiry. And third is advocacy or conviction, and fourth is conflict resolution, and fifth is decision, and sixth is critic or feedback. And 5 kind of the grid style, like we discussed about the 1-1, 1-9, 5-5, 9-1 and 9-9. 9-9 is the ideal leadership. So if you have any doubt, you type in the comment box, so I'll answer it, and I'll also give the love heart there.